My name is Attorney Jeffrey Bussell, and I head our firm's pre-suit division. In pre-suit, we usually work with first-time callers to advise them of the various cases that they have as a result of an auto accident and help them get the benefits that they're entitled to. One of the most common calls we get is related to the Mini-Tort case. The Mini-Tort claim is essentially your collision damage claim only. It's for physical damage to the vehicle. In Michigan, if you were hit by another driver and the other driver has insurance on their vehicle, the most you can get from them is $500. That's for physical damage to the vehicle only. The easiest way in the vast majority of cases is to send a letter to the insurance company for the wrongdoer's vehicle and add 3 documents to that letter. You need to add a copy of the police report showing the other person to be at fault. You need a copy of the declaration page from your own insurance policy, which shows all your coverages. It's the page that shows your coverages and what you pay for them. That will show the insurance company that you have coverage. It'll also show what your deductible is. And you also have to include a damage estimate for your vehicle. If a damage estimate's impractical or it's hard to get because your car is in salvage or you can't get it to a dealer or some other type of bump shop for an estimate, then photos will suffice. If you're going to take photos of the car, they'll see if you can get the license plate in the photo just so that the person reading your letter can cross-reference the police report to the license plate in the photo. If you have something called broad collision or broad form collision, you will not have to pay deductible. It's an extra premium you pay so that if you're less than 50% at fault, your deductible is waived. And there is no mini-tort claim if you have broad collisions. It's very important to look at that. The letter's on our website under the mini-tort section. The $500 is actually a maximum. If you have, say, a $400 deductible, you're only going to get $400. And let's say you have a $400 deductible, you only have $150 of vehicle damage. It's the lower of the $500, your deductible, or the vehicle damage. So you need to make sure that on the letter, our letter says $500, but if you know you have a lower or lesser claim, you need to change that number so that it matches what your mini-tort claim actually is. It matters if you're at fault for the mini-tort. If you're more than 50% at fault, you won't get any mini-tort. It's prorated based on your percentage of fault. So if you have a $500 mini-tort claim and you're 40% at fault, you're going to get 60% of the $500, which is $300. You won't get the full $500. Generally, it's 100% fault one way or the other. There are some exceptions to the $500. If your car was parked at the time, if the wrongdoer has no insurance, you need to call us so we can discuss those issues in another approach to getting your mini-tort. But the letter is really, in the vast majority of cases, the letter will help you get the money. Well, as long as the car was parked, in park and safely parked, it's really a property damage claim and not a mini-tort claim. And so you would go after the property damage protection on the wrongdoer's policy or your own collision. You have a choice. If the person who hits your car is uninsured, assuming the vehicle they're in is uninsured, they're not protected by the no-fault statute, and you're not limited to the $500 property damage limit. You can go after them for everything. That might involve a lawsuit in small claims court. And if that's the issue, really, they should call us to discuss that because there are things they need to know about filing those lawsuits before they do it. If you've been injured, then we need to discuss your injuries. You do have a couple other cases besides the collision damage case. One case is the negligence lawsuit against the wrongdoer. The second case is the no-fault case, which provides you benefits, medical related, wage loss benefits, household replacement services, mileage, etc., if you're injured in an accident regardless of fault. If you have any questions, or concerns, or if you're having trouble getting your mini-tort money, or if the insurance company says that the person that had the policy, they don't have mini-tort coverage on it, you need to call our office. Please don't avoid calling us because you're worried about the cost of talking to somebody. The advice is free. We're here to help you, and we want you to be successful in getting your money.